There are many different ways that you can get involved with Queensland Parliament. Some of the most common ways are through elections or contacting your local MP, signing a petition or writing a submission. Would you like to make a formal request to the Parliament to take action on an issue affecting you, your family or your community? One way you could do this is by signing a petition or starting your own. Petitions have a long history in Westminster parliaments like Queensland as a way for anyone to engage directly with the Parliament. A petition to Queensland Parliament can be in paper form or it can be electronic. Did you know that if you submit your petition through the correct channels, you will get a formal response from the Minister? Petitions must be sponsored either by a Member of Parliament or by the Clerk. You can approach any MP to sponsor your petition, but you should only approach one at a time. Once your petition has been posted on the Queensland Parliament website, you can go ahead and start promoting your petition. You can get people who agree with your view to sign it. Once the closing date for your petition has passed, the Clerk will stand up in Parliament and present your petition. This will give the MPs a chance to hear what your petition is about, and it will be recorded in Hansard, which is the official parliamentary record. Importantly, the Clerk will refer your petition to the relevant Minister, who will need to respond within 30 days. This is a great way for you to highlight your issue, not just to your local member, but the whole Parliament, including the responsible Minister. You can find out more information about petitions on our website.